Akko Sponges. Loud, clean, pronounced sound, strong bottom out, similar to other Akko switches, not thin sounding but still pretty plasticky. Strong tactile bump from the top of the downstroke. Uniquely, there is also a bump on the upstroke. This makes the tactility very noticeable even whilst typing fast, which I find very unique compared to other tactiles. This does feel pretty cool while typing, but when I was gaming it was really annoying. Also on the spacebar, the spring can only just about handle pushing through the bump on the upstroke. However, they have the best, hands down, packaging of any switch manufacturer I've seen. This one definitely benefits from lubing as shown in my video. And lastly, worth noting, although this switch is pretty cheap, there's not much stem wobble at all. And when I say cheap, I mean ridiculously cheap. This is about 20 pence per switch, or 26 cents if you're American. All in all, I rate it 15 out of 30.